How to unfollow everyone on TikTok at once. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can unfollow all of the people from your TikTok account at once. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your TikTok app and get logged into your TikTok account. If you would like to unfollow a person, first of all you have to go to the following list and unfollow them one by one. In case you would like to do that all at once, tap on the three bar icon on your top right, then tap on Settings and Privacy. At the below page, tap on Report a Problem. Then under Topics, tap on Account and Profile. Here go to Profile page, tap on Other, and tap on To Know, then tap on Need More Help. And under Tell Us Your Feedback, you can simply type in that you would like to unfollow all of the people from your account, and it is a hectic process, so you would like TikTok to do it for you all at once. Once you do so, if you have a screenshot you would like to attach, then tap on the photo icon and do it. Once you do all that, tap on to Submit. And just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.